Hello, my name is Lindsay from Astra Street Furniture. In this video, I'm going to outline what the Australian Made symbol means. I'll then break down how it affects your carbon score and the hidden advantages of buying Australian made products. Buying Australian made products has many benefits, including support for the Australian economy, the Australian specifications and standards, easier customisations and replacement options, significantly decreased lead times, and so on. But often people forget the benefit that local manufacturing has on our environment and in turn the carbon score of your project. Firstly, locally made products means decreased transportation with no need for container ships or container haulage trucks. These transportation methods release unnecessary carbon emissions, negatively impacting the environment and polluting our air and oceans. The Astra Environmental Specialist team have calculated that shipping a 20-foot container from Asia to our Sydney warehouse is 30 times the carbon emissions compared to manufacturing the products locally and shipping them directly to our Sydney warehouse. It's interesting to study the freight comparisons of flat-packed product versus pre-assembled product as well. Many furniture providers supply pre-assembled product, whereas here at Astra Street Furniture, we provide quality, flat-packed furniture with easy-to-follow assembly guides, saving massively on freight. To give you a good example, we did a case study on freighting our 240-litre Athens bin enclosure, flat-packed versus pre-assembled. When flat-packed, we could fit 10 large enclosures onto 3 pallets. When assembled, we would ship 1 enclosure per pallet, meaning it would take up 10 pallet spaces to ship fully assembled compared to just 3 when flat packed. So you can see manufacturing locally means reduced freight and therefore reduced carbon emissions. In addition to our environmental freight savings, Australia has much more stringent environmental policies and guidelines when compared to other countries in Asia, which are renowned for bulk production and manufacturing. Australia operates under some of the strictest guidelines in the world, ensuring that locally manufactured products are produced with the least emissions as possible. Australia's air quality is so pure, it even gets bottled up and sold for various health benefits, and in some cases exported to places like China and India so they can have a taste of pure Australian air. On top of this, Australian Made enables our supply chain to be regularly investigated to ensure all materials used are sustainably sourced and produced, including our steel, aluminium, hardwood timbers and composite materials. More advanced technology allows for more efficient manufacturing methods, which aim for lower levels of carbon emission. Also remember that Australian-made products typically last longer, which in turn means less carbon emitting manufacturing to replace products and less landfill over time because you are not having to replace your items so often. This is a fundamental factor in environmental sustainability. But don't forget, sustainability comes in many forms. With Australia's detailed enterprise awards, which have strict policies against slave or child labour, an Australian-made product will have been manufactured in accord with good ethical practices. So in conclusion, the Astra Street Furniture range is 100% Australian made, and this symbol is your guarantee of that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you understand how Australian made affects your carbon score, and we look forward to providing you with quality Australian made furniture products for your current and future projects.